Hey guys, welcome back, welcome back. I know it's been a while since I uploaded something, but today we are going out to actually do some adventure. Where are my friends? It's not only me, but we have the other bikes also today. We all are going on an adventure. Adventure bike, sports bike, naked bike, name it, and it's coming out today. Okay, so today we are heading out to do two different kinds of road conditions because we have like three different kinds of bikes. So just to keep it fair, we're going to talk about the Himalayan and the Dominar. So usually like when someone goes to buy a bike and if they go to see in the touring or adventure or off-road category, these two bikes, they fall somewhere in between of that 100% or maybe somewhere it'll be like 50 to 60% off-road or 60% touring, or be it your personal choice. Some might prefer riding the Himalayan for touring, some might like more power, so they'll go for a Dominar. That's your personal choice. So let's test it out today. And I only spoke about the Dominar and my Himalayan yet, but we have some other bikes also joining us today. Here's the SF250, here's the Gixxer 250, the two 250 twins, and the mighty RR310.
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, you can build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be. Mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling
so we're reaching somewhere, we're reaching. So right now the group is split. All the group has gone haywire. One is gone from Palm Beach Road and we are going from this road.
Sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end inside for me. That's me really, really anxiety. It sucks. You finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no love. Everything feels like you're sneaky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep. Don't give a fuck, can't stop. Unplugged, feeling overwhelmed. I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy. Gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with a dead end.
I just turned it around once and I found some road. And we asked a local guy also. So I've taken a Gixxer SF for some time. Riding the Gixxer on off-road, I don't have any issue. I'm used to it. The only thing I'm bothered is the underneath part of the bike.
Your bike can go. Mine won't.
Huh.
Wait one second.
Okay. Just put on the stand, I'll take it. So right now I've decided to just stay put and not to go venture anymore further. Because I don't want to leave anyone behind and just go ahead in the trail. So we found a spot behind and we'll stick to that. Thoughts build up until I can't hear. So we're still searching for a dam, but we'll find it. He said there's a platform, I think so it's that. Let him go.
I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's inside for me. But let's be really, really anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's inside for me. But let's be really, really anxiety can foggy all stuff.
एक इधर एक उधर. अरे हाँ बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. यो यो
Wait. हाँ रिमोट हेलमेट.
Gavin, damn smooth, Gavin, damn smooth.
You didn't feel anything, no?
Arey, dude, it's like
You want to go one more round?
no, they are waiting.
They're waiting. Chal, we'll go back. We'll go back.
Like it feels like feather, dude.
No, you don't feel anything.
You don't feel anything, the weight and everything, bah. Awesome, bah. What the idea, na bah?
Yeah, boy.
So if you're buying a bike and you want to go touring and you want to do off-road trails like these comfortably, like when I say the word comfortably, like you won't feel the bumps, these bumps, like you know the small stones also hit you, you won't feel it that much, like it goes smoothly. Like see, I'll just give you an example. Just leave it on second gear and let it roll. If you're too confused and you're too scared, just leave it on the See, I'm not accelerating, not doing anything. Okay. Then if you feel like you need to accelerate or stuck somewhere, then just pull the throttle slightly. Here like this. Or just leave it on second gear and cruise on this. The Dominar is not bad though, it's a good bike, but I gave it to my friend who owns a Dominar. He rode this and he loved it.
Gavin. Damn smooth, Gavin. Damn smooth.
Burnt rubber smell.
Feels so.
You're not wondering like why SF250, why Gixxer 250 RR310 off-road. It's not like these bikes are meant for outright off-road, but sometimes you got to go to some places and there's a misconception that these bikes can't go, but you can go, it's not an issue. So what if you don't have off-roading bikes? You still have a bike, right? Just go slow, that's it. And if you feel like the trail is getting too technical, then you can just take a U-turn and head back.